Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out, in this situation, a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, no doubt about it, today was a very, very nice move. Sure, the price pulled back here a little bit, but even where the price closed relative to where it was, going into today, good solid move here on the bull's part. But that does lead to the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is this the start of something bigger? I have no idea, but the good news is by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And that all revolves around a single point. In my opinion, that point is right here at the 61 cent mark. Why is 61 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, if this is the start of something bigger, well, it's going to keep on getting bigger, right? It's going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was if it is the start of something bigger. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if there's true power behind this, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 61 cents. Any sort of closes below that level, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where the price already was for a few weeks. Again, going back, not a sign of true power or something that's getting started and getting bigger. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of that range, and then heads back up. After what I would consider is a pretty drastic pullback. So even after a drastic pullback, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly powerful move is going to do. It's going to continue. It's going to get continuation. And I'm just defining quote unquote progress and continuation as maintaining that 61 cent mark. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this movement is going to continue upwards, where are some of these battlegrounds at? At this point in time, the main point of price congestion, give or take a little bit, I'm just going to call right up there at 67 cents. Yes, I realize the price did technically go up above it a little bit, but a few times the price didn't quite hit that. So just trying to split kind of find a middle ground there. So I'm going to call, public enemy number one for the remainder of the week up there at 67 cents. No doubt about it, though. Very, very nice move today on the Bulls' part. Now it's just a question of, can the Bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.